The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Sorry, I never catch it. Look how Charlie man in the youth. Just to come on a party truck, dog.
What man do?
Man left him driver's license, man. And she come out from money. She follow the man in the youth. She in the youth.
That's why.
This man, I mean, before you try to cool them down, charge you. Jay know that, I like that, dog. A long time I come and nah, make him do that. Nah, make him do that, dog. A long time man I come here, dog. Are you, yo, that's the real can't live in you. Let me tell you, even every man and him up there, enough night to hold on for the man, better the man and you. Yo, don't touch her, yo! Yo, the boss don't tell me a thing. Don't turn up pepper spray, that you know that. Sorry, don't go.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and I want to say respect and greetings to each and every one. Now, I just presented to you a video that is out on social media where quite a few things have been said about this video, you know. Some things good and some things bad, you see me? Now, information behind this video is a little sketchy, you know what I mean? And some of the things have not been confirmed to my knowledge. You see what I'm saying to you? So, here's what now. I'm going to point out a few things. Like, if you look in the video, you will see that the police vehicle had marked mark St. James. So basically you can assume that this had happened in the parish of St. James of Jamaica. If you listen in the video, there are some things that has been said in the video, in the background of the video by someone that is in the video, where you hear a thing that is said that the man is parking the truck, the person forget their driver's license, and based on some of the things that has been said, it seems as if the female police officer has also hit the man that is being arrested. You see me? Now, please bear in mind, you know, what I said is not exactly word for word as to how whosoever is in the background of the video is saying it, but I'm just, you know, trying to let you hear or trying to repeat what has been said. You see me? Now, in my point of view, if that person had failed to provide the documents when asked, right? That means if you leave it at him yard, as to how they have said it, then in my guess, there are three things that's going to happen, you know? And this is just my point of view. I can be right and I can be wrong, so let me know what you think, right? And these are the things. I would guess that the person might get a ticket, right? Or the person might be detained, depending upon the situation or circumstances, or the vehicle might be seized or hold onto until the person can provide documents for the vehicle and for themselves. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. Those are the things where really and truly me look at. You see me? Now, the female police officer is not the only police officer that was shown in the video. You see what I'm saying to you? That means the female police officer is not the only police officer that was there. You see me? And what could have caused for this person's arrest? Like, what is the real cause of the police officer arresting this person? You see me? Yeah. And some things have been said about the female police officer on social media. You know what I mean? Like, some people are asking, you know, was it necessary, some of the things that she had done in the video in order to arrest the person? And some persons are saying yes, it is necessary what she have done, and other things have been said as well. You know what I mean? Not only about the police officer, but also about the person that had been arrested or is being arrested. In a lot of things, you're going to have some person saying one thing and some person saying a different thing, so you don't know. But that's the reason why still I'm bringing it to you, my viewers and subscribers, because it's out on social media and some things have been said about it. Alright, so let me know what you think. Well, anyways, you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I have to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I want. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. You know, big up on yourself. You see it.